Hello everyone. Today we will unbox the smartwatch Redmi Xiaomi Watch Lite 2. As you can see, this is the Redmi Watch Lite 2. It contains colorful HD display, blood oxygen saturation monitoring, fitness modes, long battery life, built-in GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Beidou, and water resistant. So let's go. Boom. Oh shit. Here we go. This is the Redmi, and as you can see, it's designed by Xiaomi. Yes. Now, now if we open the box from here, accessories included. Wow. This is smartwatch here. It contains charging cable, the user manual of Xiaomi, and oh shit, and the smartwatch itself. Yes, that's better. Wow. And here we go. This is smartwatch designed by Xiaomi smartwatch Lite 2 or 2 Lite. It's a blue color, as you can see here. Redmi written there, and this is the sensors, and the sensors are here, and charging input are here. Thank you everyone for watching. Goodbye. See you later.